I was born to be free. I was born to be free.
Oh, ayo, what's poppin', everybody? How y'all doing? Man, BTC, bro. But listen, we gotta talk. We're gonna talk today, guys. Listen, before we do, though, I need to know, number one, how do I sound? Number two, how do I look? How's everybody doing? Y'all know the drill, man. Arrow Pump, good morning, sir. How are you? Party Boy, aka that is me. What's good? What's good? Wild Ramsey said, Gio, if your internet doesn't work again today, I'm gonna go give your ISP a swift kick in the nuts. Yo, listen, man. Yesterday, guys, look, I had to stream like at nighttime. Not at night, in the evening. I had to stream. And man, I miss y'all, man. I couldn't say good morning to you guys. The stream was kind of dead. It was not ideal, but hey, we're back, man. Things happen, I guess, you know. You know the thing with internet providers, it's not whoever's good, it's whoever's the least shite. At least here in Canada. Michael says everyone knows the answer to that poll. You already know it's coming, man. It's coming. Mario, good morning. Piano Phil, what's up, brother? Good morning. Let's go. Crypto Fiverr says, come on. Piano Phil's asking if we're gonna short. Listen, we're gonna talk about if we're gonna short or not. God is saying double top. What's up, God? Good morning. Good morning. Y'all like the new intro or what? Y'all like how I added the money song in? Double pump, double pump. You sound as radiant as always. Beautiful. Glenn says smash the likes, guys. Listen, guys, we got 50 people in here. We got 25 likes. All right? Either half of you don't like me or half of y'all are not in the VIP and you didn't know that, you know, you shouldn't have been shorting. But hey, that's okay. You're here now. And if I could save you a couple dollars now, and even better, make you a couple dollars now, that's what we're going to do, baby. So we are going to talk about it. And guys, look. We will talk about ETH. G Money, what's up, G? How are you? Joe, good morning. Listen, guys. Look, I want to start on CVD. Okay, let's start on CVD. Let's go. Let's zoom out, man. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out on CVD. So, okay. CVD, right? CVD. Yeah, CVD. Okay. Over the course of this entire pump, actually, let's go even further out. Let's go 6 hours. Over the course of the entire pump, you could see clearly many people are shorting. Okay, if you're unfamiliar with CVD, essentially what it means, so open interest are whether or not traders are committing new positions or not. Okay, market maker's job is to increase open interest. In other words, have you guys commit your liquidity. The entire move to the upside. Why were we getting the move to the upside? Because more people or more positions were opening. Those positions were shorts. And AKA, we had a nice short squeeze. Okay? Let us zoom in. Let's now come to the 5-minute time frame. Let's come to the 5 and see what we see here on the 5. So currently, open interest is increasing. Okay? Remember, market maker's job is to increase open interest, right? It's to have you commit your liquidity. And so while we were consolidating, not really much was going on, but we can see over the last day or so, now open interest is increasing. Okay? Now, what are we seeing pretty locally? Pretty locally, we can see that open interest is coming up, right? Market maker is doing his job. However, as it stands now, currently, more people are shorting, right? More people are shorting, and price is still going up. So locally, guys, I don't know how, after 3 months of straight pump, we still locally have bullish CVD. Now, the thing about CVD is, guys, technically it's kind of lagging. Like, it's bullish until it's not, or it's bearish until it's not, right? So that doesn't mean that this is going to remain bullish. But as it currently stands right now, in order for this bullish CVD to be invalidated, we need to wick. We don't need to close. We just need to wick this low. And guys, that's a pretty far away. That's pretty far away, okay? 41435 is pretty far. All right? So that's what's going on locally, okay? That means that we can come all the way down to 41435 while still technically, as of now, currently remaining bullish with CVD. Shouts out Camado. Okay? So I just wanted to start there. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. And guys, we're going to talk about Ethereum, so make sure you stick around. We're also going to give you guys the VIP code for my VIP Discord, which is completely free for you to join. Wow, look, I actually didn't send this, but I was gonna say good morning, guys. I'm gonna take profit on my shorts. That's funny. I did take profit on my shorts yesterday, guys. We shorted the exact top, just for the record, on live stream. So just saying, hopefully we can get a couple trades in today during stream, but we will see how nice Mr. Market Maker wants to be to us. All right. So, by the way, guys, the treadmill's back, baby. Like, hello? Treadmill is back. All right, let's continue building the narrative while I watch the likes go up, because you guys are still not hitting the like button. Okay, so locally, we know we have bullish CVD, right? Locally as well, guys, money flow. Man, look, Bitcoin is ignoring every single divergence in the book on all time frames. We know this. We've been saying this, okay? So we can't... I'm at a point now where I can't trust the divergences. And I've been there for a while, okay? You can't trust it. You can't. You can't. Eventually, they will play out. But we're going to need to see divergences on really high time frames. And that's what we're going to dissect right now and build a narrative right now, okay? Yesterday, I made an update in the VIP stating that, look, first of all, I've said this many times, we are in uncharted territory in the sense that we are at the all-time high for the past, like, 2 years, basically. Year and a half. All right? That's what I mean by when I say uncharted territory. Obviously, we've been here before, but you know what I'm saying. So that being said, it's not the easiest place to trade, okay? How do I like to trade it? The first thing that you look for, aside from, like, trading ranges, which I've talked about, you know, tooth and nail, if that's the right saying, which I don't even know if it is. We look for order blocks, okay? The way that we even got here... Hold on, let's draw this nice 18-hour order block. Okay, so this was our 18-hour order block. Let's label it out so we're aware. 18OB. Oh, you ordered the treadmill today? Let's go. Mine broke, and then they sent me another one now. I just got it back. Okay. So, we have an 18 order block right here, right? Remember, in order to even have gotten here, I talked about this yesterday. We had to beat this daily order block, okay? We spent, don't worry about these squares. Get rid of this. We spent a few days here, right, rejecting this daily order block. Not rejecting, but finding resistance here on this daily order block, okay? As you can see, many times, right? We wicked up once, we wicked up twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, it took 2 weeks, however long from this candle. Let's see how long. Okay, it took us 3 weeks to break this daily order block, okay? An 18-hour order block is also not insignificant, right? Just like a daily order block is strong, an 18-hour order block is also very strong, and that is something to take note of, okay? Took us 3 weeks to pass this daily order block, but now we are finding this 18 order block. Yesterday I said, I'm like, guys, we tapped into the 18 order block, but even more locally, within the 18-hour order block, we have why is this thing zooming out so slow now? All right. Within the 18-hour order block, which I guess I moved, apparently. Okay, if we get our rewind tool and we come back to here in the chart and we look for more shallow, we'll say, order blocks, you can see up here that we have a 3-hour order block, okay? So the thing with order blocks, guys, is when you find them, right? When you find them, let's zoom out. When you find these order blocks and they get mitigated, you need to go back and take a look at whether or not there are other order blocks within that order block that could be mitigated. Okay? So here's a 3-hour order block. So what happened yesterday? Okay, because yesterday was we'll call it the high, right? Yesterday, we were in our order block and we changed market structure, okay? Locally, 10-minute, 15-minute structure, right? Or internal structure, we changed structure, but then we changed right back, right? Like, let's just say we're here, right? Let's just say we're like here, okay? So we're in our order block, and so we know we're already favoring shorts because we're in an 18-hour order block. We're already favoring shorts, right? And you see your market structure change technically here, like this is confirmed. So now you're going to assume for a lower high, right? Because expectational order flow, right, is down, up, lower, low. Actually, I mean, it's internal, right? I'm not going to get so particular with it, but internally, structure was like this, and we broke structure to the downside, meaning that we are to expect a lower high and then go for a lower low, right? Why is that a little bit dangerous in this specific instance? Because we still had this 3-hour order block that was not mitigated, okay? By the way, guys, I have to say this. Look, if you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, I don't blame you. It's more advanced than, you know, just finding confluence and whatever. I do have 3 boot camps, and if you join the Discord, the link is in the description down below, and you check out the boot camp testimonials. Don't take my word for it. You know, you get some pretty good fire in these boot camps. So if you want information on that, make sure to DM myself or one of the mods. But order blocks are one of my boot camps, okay? It's a 3-hour boot camp. It's interactive, whatever, okay? All right. So after we broke structure to the downside, right? Why did we break back up all of a sudden? Because we had an order block that right there. Because we had an order block that still was unmitigated. Okay? So, yesterday what I said in my VIP updates was all right. I said we're in the 18-hour order block. We just tapped the 3-hour order block, and that this order block here was the very last order block that is in this 18-hour order block. Okay? Meaning, if this 18 is to hold, which it doesn't have to, but if it is to hold, it can come and mitigate this 3-hour zone. And it did exactly that. Okay? So if you were caught shorting here and you didn't check for other order blocks, well, then you are SOL, right? You're out of luck. So now we're going to do the exact same process that we just did, but we're going to look for other order blocks, right? We know this is a 3-hour order block and we already mitigated it. Okay? So let's see if we can find other order blocks. This one has been mitigated. The 2-hour mitigated. 1 hour. Oh, look at that. 1-hour order block we have here that has been unmitigated. Has not been mitigated. So here's our 1 hour. Okay, we'll extend that in a bit. Let's check 45. 45 is the same. 30 is the same. Again, guys, if you don't know what I'm doing right now, it's completely okay. I don't expect you to know what I'm doing. But I do have boot camps that will teach you how to do it. And DM my mods for more information on that. Okay. Everything else I'm not interested in. Okay, so look. So look what we just did, right? We just found order blocks within the order block. And let's get rid of our replay tool. And now let's extend the one that we just drew. This guy here. Let's extend it. Look at that. So we actually just front ran, right? We just front ran the 3-hour order. Remember, this one is a 3-hour. This is 3. We'll make the 3 a different color. We'll make it orange. Sure, whatever. That's a 3-hour. And this here is our 1-hour order block. We'll make it blue. Oh, whoop. Or red. Okay? So, 18-hour order block, which actually the larger ones I usually make blue. So we'll do OB blue, right? 18-hour order block, mitigated. 3-hour order block, mitigated. But they could come back and take the high again to come tap this one because this has been unmitigated. And remember, this is just assuming that the 18-hour is going to hold. It could, but it also, like, it doesn't have to. Right? But this is how I want you guys to think when you are looking for positions, when you're looking, okay, are we going to SFP the SFP again? Is there anything else up here? And right now, the answer is yes, there is something else up here. Hold on, let me get my TA shades on. Let me get my, I feel like my eyeballs are deceiving me because there's 85 people in here and I'm giving you guys free information that every other YouTuber on the planet charges for. So I'm going to make myself a deal, and by myself, I mean you guys. We're at 90 people and 45 likes. I'm not going to keep talking until we're at 60 likes. I'm actually going to put the party shades back on and I'm going to stop talking until we're at 60 likes. You tell me what you want. I'm just gonna turn up by myself until we're at 60 likes, guys. Hit the like button. Are we at 60 likes yet? Nope. Okay. Y'all don't want the heat? If you're just tuning in, welcome. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, guys. I'm not talking until I see 60. We have 85 viewers in here, and I'm only asking for 60 likes. You know what sucks too, because we're about to move into this order block, and I would hate to not be able to verbally say what's happening. I would hate that. I would absolutely hate it. It would hurt me to take the trade by myself. That's no fun, man. That's not why I started YouTube. Let's get money. By the way, guys, did you guys like the new intro? Did y'all like the intro? 4 more likes, guys. Guys, this is my new theme song, my new channel theme song. Guys, listen, hear me out real quick. We hit the 60 likes. I'm gonna keep talking in just a second here, but before we do, y'all know it's party time. Listen, show your peers. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Guys, show your peers. If I have helped to make you money in any way, let me see those money bags, baby. Let me see the money bags. Money bags, money bags, money bags. Y'all know. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Let me see the money bags, baby.
Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money.
All right, I'm gonna trust that y'all are gonna do that for me. I'm gonna keep going. All right, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep talking. Let me move my big head. Let's keep talking, man. Let's keep talking. All right. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. I love the money bags. Keep them coming. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so in this case, first of all, if we're gonna talk market cipher, man, this thing is bullish AF, bro. Bitcoin does not seem in the slightest. I'm gonna pretend like I didn't just do that. In the slightest. That, yeah, let's go. Wait.
Let's get money, motherfucker. Get money. Let's get money. Let's get money.
Okay, listen. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out here. This is how you know, guys. This is how you know. Okay. This is how you know when we're gonna go up or down, right? You follow the order block. So this one, This 3-hour order block has been mitigated, but this 1 hour has not. So, although it is possible, okay, it is possible for us to get rejected from the 3-hour order block, we do actually still have reason to come higher. Okay, we do. And so when you are balancing your probabilities, okay, when you are balancing your probabilities, you need to be able to say, all right, well, it could reject from here, but it could also come higher. And let's be objective. 3-hour money flow is disgusting, right? It looks so bullish, and we have a green dot. And so why, if you see this, right, and money's coming up, why wouldn't you expect to at least come and tap that order block? Right? It doesn't make sense. It does not make sense to not come tap that order block. So are we going to get a rejection from that order block? Time will tell. I don't know. Right? But we can assess market cipher at that time. And more importantly, guys, it gives us a point of interest, right? So if you're not in a position right now, and I teach you guys how to trade the range. You guys know that, okay? You guys know that. And I teach you how to change the range. But this is other things that you can do that can help build your narrative. Remember, I'm all about teaching you guys how to build a narrative. Okay, so right now, it looks like we're going to come for the high. We're going to go in the lower term time frames in just a second here. But it absolutely looks like we're going to come and take the high again. And then we will reassess when we're in this order block. And so, you know, this is a good, when you're looking to trade SFPs as well, right? This is not the largest move. This is from like 470 to 608. But what happens a lot of the time, right? What happens a lot of the time is that when you're trading an SFP, especially into order blocks as like this would be, right? People start to short early. They start to short here. They start to short here. They start to short. I mean, that one would be right. They start to short here. And they don't really know where they would put their stop loss. So let's just say, right, we wick up. Let's just say we wick up like this. And then you see that it's a confirmed SFP. And then you short it and you put your stop over the high. Well, we know, like, remember, we build the narrative. Why would they take the high again? Okay. Why would they take the high again without mitigating an order block that they have so close, so nearby? Why would they do that? Answer, they probably wouldn't. Okay. So especially when money flow is this thick and you short it here and you're like, yes, I caught the top. I'm going to show the P&Ls in Gio's stream. Gio's going to be so happy with me. No. Okay. This is how you build your narrative. This is how you build your confluence. Okay. So right now, off the jump, based on money flow, based on how everything looks, we can see that we are very likely to come to 42.6. And we are very likely, or not very likely, in my opinion, you shouldn't be shorting until the earliest 42.6 if they're going to come and make a run for this order block. We're going to jump on the lower term time frames. We don't know yet. Okay, we don't know yet, but objectively on the 2 hour, it looks like it, right? Now the 2 hour takes time to move. Every candle is 2 hours long. So this could happen tomorrow. It doesn't mean it has to happen today. It doesn't mean hit the long button right now because you're going to miss out on the 4 hour move, on the $400 move. No, it does not mean that. Okay. Right. What else do we have going on here? Remember, guys, this is how we build our narrative, right? How we build our narrative. What else do we have? We have potentially what retail considers a head and shoulders. Actually, here, I'll draw it like this. Look, ready? Big head and shoulders. Big head and shoulders on the chart right there. See that? Y'all see? We got a big head and shoulders. How was this before? Was it like this? Whatever. Big head and shoulders on this 30-minute time frame, right? Potentially. Now, I got to be honest, guys. I don't trade head and shoulders. I do not do that. But this could be a head and shoulders pattern, right? And so if it is, retail guaranteed right now is looking at this head and shoulders, right? They're guaranteed looking at it. And they're probably going to try to short it. So this is why we come to CVD, like I did at the beginning. And we work locally. And we say, all right, well, local CVD is bullish, guys. Like local CVD is still bullish. So do we short here expecting this head and shoulders to play out? No, because CVD is bullish at a place where CVD should be bearish, right? And so this is how you build a narrative, guys. I'm giving you guys all this heat for free, baby. I'm not like, man, I'm corrupting the space. I'm telling you, I'm gonna ruin every other crypto guy because they don't give you guys this, man. They sell this to you. I'm not even selling this to you. I just asked for your time. Okay. All right. So we're expecting to take the high again. We're expecting this head and shoulders to not play out. Potentially a little short squeeze because a lot of retail is going to short from here. Right? And this is high time frame stuff. I haven't even jumped on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute. Right? This is just objectively over time. I'm going to check some comments here. And then we shall continue. What's up, dog? ETH. We will do ETH, man. We will do ETH. We are above high value. Yeah, we're going to do all the like proper analysis here in a few minutes. Standing desk is a game changer. You're more often work standing than sitting. Bro, it is a game changer, man. Like, look, for me, I have like attention, whatever, disorder, ADD. And because of that, I get distracted so easily. And like when I'm walking, I don't realize that I'm working. And when I'm working, I don't realize I'm walking. So it's like a double whammy. Rihard says that the boot camps are fire. Man, listen, I'm glad you like it. Today we're doing a Q&A boot camp for those who took the market Cipher bootcamp a couple weeks ago. All right. What separates us from most animals? Opposable thumbs. Yes, sir. Hit the like button. Thank you, man. Y'all don't just hit the like when you enter the video. Thank you, Mystic Ruin. I'm a little bit late. Are bootcamps free? No, bootcamps are not free. Bootcamps are the only thing that I charge for, okay? Everything else I charge, I give for free. The VIP section, where I give you guys my levels in advance and I give you guys real-time updates on what I think is going to happen and my trades. And look, I'm short on Sol, whatever. Which, by the way, I am still short on Sol. Let me just say, I am still short on Sol. So all that kind of stuff, you know, like doggy coin. I've been preaching about the doggy coin lately. So I give you guys all that. That is all for free, guys. And this information that I'm giving you just in the VIP alone, some channels like the Telegram, I don't even have Telegram. That kind of weird stuff, people charge like $500 for that a month. I give it to you for free. So the only thing that I charge for are the boot camps, and the only reason why is because the boot camps are 3 hours long, and just like I'm fair to you guys, I have to be fair to myself as well. Okay, I have to be fair to me, and if I'm gonna give 3 times and make a curriculum and make it engaging and you know all that, I gotta be fair for myself. So it's not about the money for me. I don't need it. I could take the market's money. I don't need your money. But I have to be fair to myself. I have to. I can't just let everything be free. So boot camps, where while you will be given like a lot of value, it is actually not free. But everything else you get for free. Mr. Fies, how are you, sir? What's up, brother? What's up, brother? What do I think about short from 42.7? Yeah, man, that's exactly what we were just talking about. That was my bad. I came too late. Angie says, I'm so sick of traders doing techno electronic music. This can be stressful. Play some cool jazz. Hey, listen. I actually had some nice music for a little while. But to be honest, this is the stuff that gets the clicks, Angie. This is the stuff that gets the clicks, girl. Listen, if you want, I live stream in the Discord like every so often. And sometimes we do karaoke. I'll sing to you. All right, all the money bags. Look at Geo with the Riz over the internet. Did Geo coin dumb today? No, actually, it did, but it pumped again after. Yo, what's up, Andre? How you doing, bro? Okay, all right. Yeah, we'll do ETH, guys. We'll do ETH. Let me finish up with Bitcoin, and then we'll do ETH. So I'm actually mad at ETH. I longed ETH overnight, got stopped out, and now ETH is moving. So that kind of sucks for me. But that's okay. That is okay because we are long on something else, and something else is bumping right now, boys. Let me just say that, okay? And we'll talk about that as well. We'll talk about that as well. Okay, real quick, let me finish up with Bitcoin, okay? So guys, you know, man, look. So I tell you guys, so this is how you build a narrative with the order blocks and such. Okay, you build the order, you build a narrative, whatever. Let me bring this up so you guys can see the price nicely. All right. This is how you do that. How can you trade? So you look at the order blocks and you build your narrative. Technically speaking, because we are in this 18-hour order block, which goes all the way up to here, we should be prioritizing shorts over longs. However, money flow is looking like even the 18-hour order block might break. Okay, But what do we do when we're in uncharted territory? Well, we don't just YOLO short and YOLO long because that's crazy. We have to build a narrative in our local range. Guys, I teach you guys how to trade ranges. I have videos on my YouTube about it. If you don't know how to do it, go do it. But we just look to trade the ranges. And in short, you can put out a volume profile. When you're above the value area high, you look for shorts. When you're below the value area low, you look for longs, man. And you just trade the range. And then when we break out, you can look for SFPs, right? So right now, I would be looking potentially, and I would be surprised if we don't get some kind of reaction off of this 1 hour order block. But I would say, yep, we're gonna look for shorts. Potentially we SFP this high and we hit this order block, and potentially that will be our short. And we will adjust our narrative as we are given more information, right? I can only build a narrative based on the information that I have now. But in 10 minutes, I'm gonna have new information. In 1 hour, I'm going to have new information. So while I'm saying, okay, we're probably going to come for the high now, let's just say in 10 hours we don't, then I could say, all right, it's probably more likely that we're going to do this, right? So we change based on the narrative. But we know right now that this is an SFP, right? We could SFP it. Looking like we will, right? Very much so looking like we will SFP this. Let's go, baby. My Dogecoin long is pumping, baby. Let's go. I'm mad at ETH though, but whatever. Okay, so now we got to pay attention to this. This yellow box, we don't really need anymore because we know that we're not really looking along in between, or we're not looking a short in between here and here. I mean, technically you could, but we don't need it. So right now, let's dive in. We're going to get nice. Ready? We're going to get, okay, not nice. We're going to get, what's it called? By the way, my Bitcoin short from yesterday just got stopped out, but in profit. I way took profit on it. Okay. Whew, I'm going to take a deep breath. And I'm going to go without a breath here. All right. 3 minutes. Let's start on the 5. 5 minute time. Yeah, okay. 5 minute money flow is thick. VWAP's pointing up. Momentum waves are pointing up. Nothing bearish yet. And we didn't take the high. Cool. 3 minute money flow is super thick as well. Not exactly giving us the golden nugget that we would want to see for a confirmed short, but nonetheless, we still haven't taken the high, so we're going to continue. Let's go 2 minutes. 2 minute money flow is still thick, suggesting that the short is not here yet. 1 minute money flow. 1 minute money flow is starting to come down, and the momentum waves are printing bearishly over time. Me personally, I'm not interested in a short. I'm actually going to get ready. I'm not interested in a short until the high is taken, okay? Until we take the high, personally, I'm not shorting. And preferably, I want to see even this line. So 42.6 is where I would like to potentially short. And so if you decided that you wanted to scalp it, and we're going to get into this in a second here, but you could potentially do something like this, right? Where you put your stop above the order block and we shoot down for the lows, which would probably be down to like this low here. Or yeah, ish, right? So this could be a trade setup. I'm not taking it yet. I will tell you guys if I do. But, and this is not exact, guys, okay? I'm not putting limit orders here. However, I got to tell you, it could just spike up really quick. So we're going to talk about if we should put limit orders. Right now, the 1 minute time frame is giving us money flow and momentum wave divergences. So it could be the time to put limit orders there. Let's check the 15 second, which I actually haven't analyzed before ever. I used the 5 second and the 1 minute, but the 15 second I was recommended. So I'm going to try it here. Money flow still coming out. We got the momentum waves. If we get something like this, for example, this would be sick. If we get this, money flow starts to come out. Man, it's hard to draw when you're on the treadmill. I forgot. Money flow is coming out, right? And we do like boom, boom, boom. Then there's your short, right? That's what you would want to see, right? 5 minute money flow again, suggesting that we could be at a top, but we're probably not at the top. It's probably a little bit too early for the top. So we need to take that into consideration here. Right, 3 minute money flow for sure. Looks like we're not at the top yet. So it could take a few minutes to get here, guys. It could be like boom, 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 boom. Right there. Could be, right, however long that is. How long is that, give or take? An hour, right? So this could happen in an hour. It does not have to happen right now. I don't want you guys to get trigger happy, and I do not want you guys to FOMO and say, oh, you're missing it. In my opinion, no shorts until we take the high, because why would they come this high and not take the high? They wouldn't. Okay, that's your answer. They definitely wouldn't. So you know, you need to take that into consideration when you're deciding on whether or not you should press the button. Right? I'm gonna just really quickly actually, no, let's chill. Okay, so on the 2-minute money flow is still thick. I'm still not convinced. If we come up now, I would actually believe that we're probably more likely to return back up here, as opposed to it being a long-term short. And guys, this is how I turn my scalps into swing trades, right? When the hourly looks like it could give you another divergence, which it does, right? And the 30, I don't even know what it's looking like right now. 30 is definitely giving you the money flow divergences. And then all the lower term time frames are looking not how we want to yet, but you know, maybe in an hour it'll look the way that we want to. Then there is your like potential giga short, guys. And we've been talking about the giga short down to like 30K for a long time. And this very well could be it. Remember, we're at the top of an 18-hour order block. We just mitigated a 3-hour order block, and now we are coming to mitigate the 1-hour order block. So everything right now looks, if the 18-hour order block is gonna hold, like this could bring us a significant move to the downside. Not saying that it will. I don't want the haters to hate now, but you know. So no trade yet, in my opinion. It could take an hour. Do not FOMO. Do not think that you're missing it. But in my opinion, no trade yet. No trade yet. All right. Gio is your guardian angel trading, boys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yo, Crypto Main. What's up, bro? Screw the electro or drum and bass. Oh, yeah. Doing good, bro. Happy to see you. Cheerful as always. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. I will. I know you DM me, but I will get it. Can I live stream myself DJing in the VIP? Then we can request songs. I can, man. You guys know I DJ. I actually just picked up a gig for New Year's. I did New Year's last year, and it was mad fun, so I'm doing it again. Bro, can I check? Is there a 16-hour from April 8th, 2022? 16-hour? I don't use 16-hour order blocks, bro. The only time frames I use are up here. But for order blocks, I don't use weird ones. Like, I don't use 12 and 24. Everything else I do. But let's check your 16-hour. From what day did you say? April 8th? Oh, here? So I do not consider this... I don't consider this a valid order block. Based on my rules, this is not an order block. Not an OB based on my rules. All right, guys, listen. We're gonna wait for this. We gotta get this. Oh, we're about to get it. Okay. I was about to sing, but okay. I think I'm gonna TCP a little bit on the doggy. Should we TP a little bit on the... Okay, we're getting a potential STP right now. Let's come down lower. 15-second money flow is still super thick. Oh, 5-second is giving us a short. Dang, I missed it. It's okay. I want to come up and I want to actually tap the order block. We did not tap the order block here. We did not tap the order block. I am gonna take some profits on the doggy coin, because I do expect a little bit at least of a move. Look at that, man. Wow, we just SFP'd and we just like moved a pretty significant amount right there. I still want to come one more time. I want to touch this. If we touch 42.6, I will be more content with it. Right? I will be more content with it. 15-second is indicating that we could have another push up. 1 minute money flow, if it ever loads. Hurry up. My goodness, what is this? Yeah, one minute still giving us the divs, guys, but we do have the red vector candle. So there was a lot of retail selling in that candle, potentially for market makers, only to now send it back up. We'll see how it goes. If it goes down from here, it goes down from here. I'm not satisfied with it. We did not mitigate right? We still did not mitigate the hourly order block. And in my opinion, why would we come back up and not mitigate the hour? Then like there was no if we were going to come up, the reason that we come back up is to mitigate the 1 hour. Okay. It's not just for funsies. No, right? So we'll see, man. If that was it, then that was it. But I don't really think so. And it's not uncommon, guys. It's not uncommon for us to do something like this where we SFP it and then we dance around, right? We dance around a little bit. We have like a fake wick to the low, inducing retail to short, putting their stop loss above here, only to then rip it up one more time and then send it down. Okay. That doesn't mean that it's going to happen, but remember, as traders, we need to build the narrative and we need to have probabilities. Okay. We need to build a narrative and we need to decide based on probabilities what we expect could happen. Okay. And so for me, I like the idea of coming up to tap this 1 hour order block before getting a decent move to the downside. I will tell you this though, guys. I will tell you this. Okay. Let me tell you this. Remember, money flow on the higher term time frames are still super thick. Okay. This right now, if you don't know what it means, it's okay. Remember, I have a boot camp for it. But we actually just had inducement on this 1 hour order block. Okay. We did have inducement on it. This is considered inducement, which is a good sign that if we come back up to it, we will reject from it. Okay. It's a pretty good sign. I would be shocked if we completely just bust through this. I would be honestly shocked. Doesn't mean it's not possible. I just believe that it's not too probable. Okay. I'm going to check your comments, guys, and then we're going to do ETH. But before we do that, you guys know what time it is. Ready? Hold on. Maybe you don't know because I didn't do it yet. Let's put the party shades on. Once again, guys, are you ready for this? Y'all know how it is. Look, guys, if I give you any free value, if you've made money with me and I've helped you in any way, I need you to show your peers. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're returning, you know the drill. Show your peers, guys. Let's see if we can get this pump one more time into our zone. Show your peers. Let me see the fire emojis, baby. Give me some fire emojis in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat.
But this time I'll let you be.
Fire emojis in the chat. Let's go.
Seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel
Fire,
like
fire,
you
fire,
should.
fire, fire, fire,
And
fire,
all
fire.
your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? But does he know your heart?
Fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis.
Does he know me?
Fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis.
Cry. Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You should be
Clap,
with
clap,
him.
clap, clap,
I'll let you go from time. You should stay with him.
Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Show your peers.
He's good for
Show
you.
your peers, man.
And he
Hit the like
makes
button.
you feel like you should. And all your
Fire emojis,
friends
fire
say
emojis,
he's
fire
the
emojis,
one.
fire emojis.
His love for you is true.
Ready, ready?
But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly lies.
Yeah. Man, that's the best part of every single stream. Thank you guys. All right, let me catch up now. Okay, guys, so we're still, if you're just getting in here, you're just tuning in, welcome to the party. Listen, we're waiting to take the high one more time. I want to take the high one more time. It does not have to happen right now, okay? So do not short now. I mean, you guys can do whatever you want. Y'all are grown. I don't care, but I'm not shorting now. I'll tell you that. All right, dump it, baby. You're going to dump it. You're going to dump it. Dump it. Okay, cool. Do y'all think it's going to dump? Inducement, bro. I can't explain inducement. I got to save some content for the boot camps. I apologize. Camadel says sing for us. Yes, sir. Gio's on fire. Nice. I like the fire, baby. I love the fire. Shake your body. All right. Shouts out Mitch says the singing ruins the song. Maybe the song ruins the singing. Have you ever thought of that? Love the content, all the other songs. But this one is the douchiest song on YouTube. Wait, why? I like it. Take that, playing the bangers. That's wild. Gio, we got a CME gap bottom 39.6. Do we? Well, then let's hit the Giga short, baby. Let's hit the Giga short. Honestly, best case is... Actually, is the best case if it happens right now? I would actually say best case it doesn't happen right now. I would say best case it waits a little bit. Maybe, actually. Actually, no, I lied. Best case it happens right now. If it happens now, it's good. It's really good if it happens now. I totally lied. It's so good if it happens right now. I want one more up, baby. One more up. Give me one more up. One more up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Shout out Mystic says, took the quick SFP on the low time frames, took your profits and dips. Let's go. W in the chat, baby. Let's go. Man, we're going to talk about ETH, but someone got to keep an eye on Bitcoin then. Okay, let's put alerts. We got to get alerts. Let's move to ETH. Let's go Ethereum. In the meantime, while we're waiting, let's put some alerts at the lows. We'll put some alerts at the highs so that we're aware. All right, let's do ETH, guys. Let's do ETH. So let's zoom out. Let us zoom out. I haven't done TA on ETH in a while, and I'm definitely going to be paying attention to ETH. Because I do believe ETH is going to be a runner soon. I do believe. It depends on what Bitcoin is doing, as always. But, you know, ETH got some... ETH got a lot that it could come and do, right? ETH has a lot. All right, let's start here. Let's go order block. Order block numero uno. Okay, so this is our DOB, baby. This is our daily order block. Here we got our daily order block, right? We're in our daily order block. What's my opinion on Ethereum Classic? I don't have an opinion on it. Okay. So we're in an order block that, I'm going to be honest with you guys, isn't the best looking order block, okay? It's not really the best looking order block. If Bitcoin takes its high, which we'll talk about the targets for Bitcoin, if it breaks this order block, actually I should have started there, we'll go back, then I actually like, is this mitigated? No. Okay, then I actually like almost a 3,000 Ethereum a lot better. Okay, I like this daily order block a lot better, a lot better. Okay, way better, way better. All right, and so that being said, oh my, wow, what is Solana doing? My short on Solana just got murked. It's okay, we're still in profits, but damn, boy, kind of gross. I should have took more profit. Okay, let me just see Sol real quick. Stupid Sol. Bro, Sol is crazy, man. This coin is insane. 2.5% in 5 minutes. That's okay. That is a-okay. Hopefully the doggy coin decides to be good ever in his life. All right. Coming back to Ethereum here. Think about you, yeah. Okay. So we're in the daily order block. I like the higher one better. Okay. I like the higher one a lot better. Now, do I suggest that it's gonna come up this much, 7%, and then 25%? Listen, it could, guys. I'm gonna make a video on Ethereum because I have my eye on Ethereum, but I think Ethereum is actually gonna steal the show. Because Bitcoin relative to Ethereum should not be only where it's at. Where Bitcoin is, Ethereum should be at 3K, okay? Which is up, obviously up here, but is additional. Like, this builds confluence on this daily order block as opposed to this daily order block, right? Now, am I too loud? Am I too loud? Okay. What do we have above this order block on Ethereum? We have all this liquidity, okay? So do I think necessarily that this daily order block will hold? It might, but it also might not, okay? So what do we do here? Let's actually use our replay tool. Let's jump time frames. Let's go weekly. No, that's been mitigated. 3-day. Mitigated. 2-day. Mitigated. Okay. So for me, I actually, it's gonna sound crazy here, but I kind of like up here. I kind of like up here. And if that gets taken, then I like up here. So these are my long-term, like, potential swing zones for Ethereum. Okay? These are my potential swing zones. So this is D. That's D, and this is 2D. Okay? So these are my zones, right? I believe that Ethereum is going to steal the show. Okay? I think ETH is going to steal the show. And I think that that this is not what's the word I'm looking for? Like, out of the question. It's not crazy, basically, to be like looking up here. Okay? Now, I just want to say this, man. I want to say this, guys. I want to say this. I don't believe this is a bull market still. Okay, I don't. I believe this is a bear market rally. I do not believe this is the bull market. If it is, congrats to everyone that's in it. Cool. I'm in it too. So I don't care. I don't care if price goes up or down. But I do not personally believe that this is a bull market. So, these are my zones for ETH long term. I'm not really interested in anything in between this order block and this order block. Here, I do think we could see significant resistance depending on what Bitcoin is going to be doing. Okay? I want to jump back to Bitcoin real quick because I want to talk about one other level. Okay, I want to talk about this level here. 48207. Which, by the way, guys, now is the best time to mention. 48207 is your VIP code for the Discord. So if you don't know how it works, okay, in my VIP section, I give you guys the levels I'm looking at. I give you guys the trade setups I'm looking at. I tell you if I'm short. I tell you if I'm long. I tell you what I think is going to happen. Right? And I give it to you for completely free. In order for you to enter, all you got to do is join the Discord. The link is in the description. And DM my GeoBot, the 4, or I guess in this case, 5-digit code, which is 48207. Okay? So head on over. Come do that. You'll have access to my levels. You'll have access to what I'm thinking before YouTube sees it. Okay? Before YouTube sees it. Now, why is this? Oh my God, y'all hearing that? Dude, that's crazy, man. My freaking me screaming, guys. I have my what you guys are hearing, I'm hearing, but it's so loud in my ears. That's why I'm screaming like nonstop. Okay. So hear me out, guys. Hear me out. Hear me out. Why is this an important level? Let's come on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, based on the rules that I follow, what is the structure that we have? From the top down, we do have high, low. Oh. We have high, low, lower high, lower low. And on the monthly time frame, everything that's happening here is internal. Okay? Everything happening here is all internal. So if everything here is internal, that means that price is allowed to come all the way back up to 4, 8, whatever, while still remaining bearish. Expectational order flow would be a lower high for a lower low. Okay? On the monthly time frame. I don't believe that the bull market is here yet. And so, because I do not believe that the bull market is here yet, I think that this may play out. And so what happens if we break this order block that we're at currently, which I don't think we're going to break right away, guys. I'm talking this could be a month, in like 3, 4, 5, 6 months play. What happens though, right? Everyone's, oh, bullish, ETF news, da-da-da, whatever. What if we come up and we break this very important number, okay, and we SFP it? What does it mean if we SFP this level? If we get something like this, and we SFP this monthly level, lower high, this low failed to take out this high. What's the target? X marks the spot, baby. Down there, right? So that is something that we need to be paying attention to. And remember, Bitcoin and Ethereum move in tandem. So if Bitcoin can make its way up to 48K, which in my opinion, like this is where I think we start to turn. If we don't turn here, I believe we're going to turn between 47 and like 50K. Maybe like 51. Because people are going to say, oh, there's no way that we're not going to go to 50. Or maybe here, 53. Because there is a fair value gap here. Right? Like this is a fair value gap. Right here. This is a fair value gap. Let's just make it red. Okay, that's a fair value gap right there. So if we were to SFP, and it would be a nasty SFP, and keep in mind, guys, this is a monthly SFP. So there is a lot of time that we could be above 48K while still technically might be putting in bear. So if we pass 48K, I'm telling you, I'm going to be looking for every single short I can. And I'm going to be holding it as far as I can, as far as it lets me. Because if we monthly SFP this level, oh baby, man, we're coming for the lows. If we monthly SFP 48K, y'all ain't going to like me, but I'll come back and I'll clip it. Somebody write this day down. We're going to come back and take 15.4K. If we SFP this high. So right now, best case scenario, I'm hoping that happens. And we know Bitcoin and Ethereum move in tandem. So, if Bitcoin gets, let's just say, its next 10, 12, 15% move to the upside, Ethereum could get a 30% move to the upside, or, more probable, its equivalence is up here, right? at 3.5K. 3.5K. So Bitcoin, because remember, Ethereum has been lagging. Ethereum did not get a crazy move the way that Bitcoin got its crazy move. Like from the low to the high, sure, but in the last, couple months where we've literally been nonstop up, Bitcoin's up 70% and Ethereum is up 40. Okay, fine, 40%. But Ethereum is lagging behind, and usually they work in tandem. Okay? Usually what happens is when Bitcoin gets its pump, those profits will move into Ethereum. So while Bitcoin may continue sideways in this little range here, Ethereum may make its way up to the next daily order block. And so if Ethereum is at almost 3K and Bitcoin's here, I would call it equivalent. Then if Bitcoin moves up to 50K and Ethereum moves up to 3K, I would call it equivalent. And this is the perfect zone to short, in my opinion. I believe the bear market rally ends here at 33.4, 3.5K ETH. I believe the bear market rally ends there. I believe the bear market rally for Bitcoin ends somewhere in this box. And then especially if we get a monthly SFP, I believe we're coming to all the way down to here. Yo, listen, I did watch White Phoenix's course 100%. Or not his course, sorry. His stream yesterday. But I swear on my life, I looked at this last week. I swear to God, I looked at it last week. Because when we started to pump, when we broke, look, I'll tell you exactly when I did it. I'll tell you exactly when I found these order blocks, okay? Look, last week when... not last week. What day is today? The 5th. Okay, 2 days ago. This happened 2 days ago. When I sent this, and I said, okay, guys, we just broke above the daily order block. We're next coming to the 18. This is what I was saying. I'm like, guys, listen. I'm like, listen. I didn't say, guys, listen. When I posted this and saying, okay, we're going to probably come up to the 18 order block, I'm like, Bitcoin just passed a daily order block with relative ease, okay? And money flow, like, man, you guys know, man, I've been so bearish. You guys know. And I've only been bearish because the money flow and the momentum wave divergences. And so as soon as this happened and we took the high, I started looking for shorts here, which we're in right now, right? I was like, and this happened overnight, guys. We pumped like 10% overnight or 5% or whatever it was, 6%, literally overnight. And so at this point, I was like, okay, it doesn't seem like we're gonna stop. And so if we don't get a blow off top into this zone, which we didn't, right? I posted this at night and I woke up and we were in this zone and we were staying in this zone. It was not a blow off top. So I'm like, okay, now where's the next place that we could get a blow off top that's realistic? And I just did the exact same process I showed you guys on live, because I think that this is going to end in a blow off top, which if you don't know is a huge wick. That's what I believe. So I did look at it a couple days ago, but also, like, it's good confluence with Phoenix because he's thinking the same thing. Or I should say I'm thinking the same thing as him because he knows more than me when it comes to order blocks and stuff. But I did look at this literally 2 days ago. Ordi? What is Ordi? Oh my goodness. What in the world? What in the world is Ordi? Guys, do me a favor. There's 107 of you, and there's only 87 likes. If you have not hit the like button already, make sure you do so. Por favor. Either I look at Litecoin. Okay, we could do Litecoin. We can do Litecoin. Okay, first of all, I don't know what Ordi is. But Ordi, just on first glance, without doing any TA, is 15 is not looking good. 30 is not looking good. 1 hour is not looking good. Oh, 3 hours looking really good. 6 hours okay. 4 is okay. 8 is not good. 12 is not good. Honestly, I would say Ordi is probably gonna get a significant top soon. In terms of time, not in terms of price. In terms of time, not in terms of price. Okay, I'm gonna look at Litecoin so that Dak doesn't kill me. Or God doesn't kill Dak. One of the two, whatever they said. I still want to come a little bit higher. I want to come take the high. I want to touch. If we tap the 1 hour order block, I'm telling you guys now, I will short it. I will short it. I will short it. If I see what I want to see on Market Cipher V, this is our short zone. Okay, right here. Unless I see something really like, unless I see something really sexy, then I'm I'm not shorting until we touch this line. 42.6. I want to tap 42.6. And I'm not even in a Bitcoin short right now. I got stopped out of my entry during the stream. Right, let's see, man. Let's see. But does he? It actually looks like we could get it right now. You bought more Pepe today? I think Pepe is going to do really well in the bull market. I mean, it's already doing really well. Yo, whoever is the one that told me about big time, I wish I listened to you, man. The funny thing is I did the TA on it. I set my alerts on it, and I just didn't take the trade on it. Crazy, man. Crazy. All right, guys. It looks like we could get it here, man. We could. Let's see. I want to take the high one more time. One more time. Take the high. 42.6 to 42.9. The higher we go, the better it is. We could even SFP it, but I would not actually want to see an SFP. All right, guys, listen. You already know, man. I'm sorry. It is what it is. I got to be back in 5 minutes. You guys know what I'm doing. Drop the emoji on what I'm doing. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Knowing my luck, this thing will do what it's going to do while I'm gone. So if it does, this is the trade setup as of right now. Don't just blindly take it. But this is what I will be potentially taking. And I will be watching on my phone because I found my phone this morning. Drop some emojis, know what I'm doing, guys. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I swear, I'm so efficient. Don't worry. Someone time it.
baseline hit. Hey, think I feel when the baseline hit.
Boom, baby. The efficiency. It's still gonna pump while you're gone. It's gonna pump when you're gone. Yeah. Okay. Come on, baby. Let's see. What did I miss? All right, let's see if we can hit this trade, man. Turn up a little bit. Okay. Come on, man. Let's see if we can get it. I'm gonna get my fingers ready, guys.
It all starts to fit when the baseline start to hit. Bass sideways, it's about to hit. It's too late to quit. It all starts to fit when the baseline start to hit.
All right, well, while we're waiting, and if we start to pump, I'll go back. But while we're waiting, guys, if you need an exchange to trade on, Mexi's the best in the game. It is the cheapest on fees across the board, and I scalp all the time, and I give you guys levels all the time in the VIP Discord. Which, by the way, the code is 48207. Make sure you come over and you DM my bot, top right, 48207 for access. But Mexi is the cheapest on fees, and it helps support me for free. Like hitting the like button, guys. So if you choose, if you elect, if you elect to support me for free, I appreciate you truly. Thank you very much. 0.02% taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then come and join the fun with us, guys. Come and join the fun. Link is in the description. Oh my days! Did I say that whole thing with the music too high? All right, should I do it again? Yeah, I'm gonna re-say the entire thing word for word. Word for word, I'm gonna re-say it. Basically, guys, long story short, if you elect to if you elect to support me for free, Mexi, number one, is the best exchange in my opinion. Cheapest on fees, 0.02% taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, come and join the fun. VIP code is 48207. Head on over, and I'll give you guys my scalp levels. And you can scalp those levels with 0.02% fees. Or 0% fees. And you get to support me for free. So thank you. I can keep doing this for you guys if you guys sign up under my link. So thank you very much. All right. Okay. Let's talk Bitcoin now, man. Let's see if we're going to get what we want to see. Look, if this was going to be a real high, I would want to have seen a movement already. Okay. I would want to see a movement already. We're not seeing that movement, right? We're not seeing it. Not only that, on the 2-minute, we got a red vector candle. What do we know about vectors? We know that that's liquidity. We know that they could come back up and recover that. $15, we might actually have a cheat sheet entry here. I'm not going to pull the EMAs, and I'm definitely not going to enter a cheat sheet entry on the 15-second time frame because that's mental. But, you know, we're building the narrative, guys. We're adding our confluence with our indicators. And I'm telling y'all, man, I want to come higher. I want one more up, baby. One more up. Let's see if we can get it. I want to tap 42606. 42606. Unless I missed something, right? Unless I missed something at where we are. Let's go back and see. I don't think so, but let's see. Unless I missed something here. Nah, man. Nah, I would say at the very least, I want to come and take this at, like, as an SFP. At the very least, I'd want to come up here. So yeah, I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see. See if we can get a little pump going. Pump and then dump it to oblivion. That SFP confirmed on the 1 hour. Did it? Yeah, it did. Yeah, but man, honestly, we've been SFPing SFPs, right? It's not uncommon. We know Bitcoin's been ignoring every single divergence like ever known to man. So we'll see. My doggy coin long is doing well though. Doggy coin, baby. Let's go, doggy. Keep her going. Guys, objectively, trading is one of the most boring jobs ever. You literally just sit and you wait. How boring is that? So boring. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Okay. So now money flow's coming out. If we get another divergence, we got 1 minute money flow diverging over time, as well as local money flow diverging over time, especially if we get something like this. Y'all know we want the bang bang, baby. We want bang 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 bang. Okay, that would give us some nice divergences here on the 1, especially if we get it really quick and really like green vectors. Green vector candles rising up to this level would be absolutely perfect right now for a nice rejection. The mid time frames, right? Like 15, 30 red dots, overbought, ready for retracement. The 30-minute has money flow coming out and potentially giving us this clip. This could be, and guys, look, I'm not gonna, like, every time recently that I said that this could be a significant high, it has been a significant high. I'm not saying it is this time, but it could be. So don't take what I say for granted here. It could be a significant high. Doesn't mean it's the high. Could be a significant high. And so it's important to pay attention. And y'all know how I built the narrative, man. You guys know. 5 minute could give us the bang bang. Bang bang. Right? We could get it. We could. Scalp the 1 minute range. King D says. Okay. I'm gonna do it on the 3. I'm not really gonna do it on the 1. Actually, this is kind of a funny looking range, but would I count it from there? Actually, I would probably count it from here. Is it that different? Or is it the same? Oh, yeah, it is very different. Wow. Interesting. I don't know, man. It's like not... It's not established enough of a range for me to definitively say that this is the range, so I don't really know. Maybe from here. Gio, when am I gonna do the $100 to $1,000 challenge? That is gonna be in the new year. Music is fire. Let's go, baby. Shouts out to Dave Digital. BTC ignored a bear div on the daily. You wouldn't be shocked, bro. Bitcoin ignored like 17 divergences on the daily. I even made a post and I was like, guys, we could play. Look, we could make a game out of this. Count the divs. Dude, I'll give you a clue. I didn't count it, but there's at least 20 divergences here. At least. Easily 20. Count every money flow div. Count every momentum wave div. Count every VWAP div. There's at least 20. Easy 20. Easy 20. By the way, guys, if you are new here and you just joined, please do not DM the code. Or don't put the code in any chats, please. My moderators will ban your ass if you do that. So don't do that. Don't do that. All right, man. Let's see. Come on. Let's just say we were to assume. Let's just say. Let's lock this. Let's just say that this was the high, right? That we thought, okay, maybe that would be the high. Now would be the place to reject, right? We are in the golden pocket and we're in the value area high of the range. Now would be the place to reject. Let's check the 15 second. 15 second is looking like we can still get some juice to the upside. 5 second is still looking like we could get some juice, but at the same time, if we were going to actually reject here, which we might, but for me, I would actually prefer to take this high here. Keep in mind, this is the 5 second time frame. So this high is not very far away. It is $11 away. $20 away. So praying for a dump. Had to hop on a work call. Did you miss the VIP code? You did. You missed it twice, but we're gonna say it one more time for you. All right, let's get away from this time frame. By the way, Geo, Blur might step into our zone soon if BTC starts to go sideways. Beautiful. Let me know when it happens. I think I put alerts there, but I don't know. Mystic Ruin says BTC just ignores bear signs until it's bullish again. I know, it's very frustrating. All right, guys, we're coming up again. I want to take the high, man. This could be a significant high. We have money coming out. All the divergences, everything is pointing towards this could being a high. Okay, could be a significant high. The last 2 times I said that, it ended up being a significant high. It was not the high. It was a high. This could be the high. I don't think so, but it could be. It could be, right? Could be. This could definitely give us a significant move to the downside. I even said, guys, yesterday, and I don't want to like, just so that you see, and like I'm not playing both sides. I even said it yesterday, right? This was the 8-hour time frame. I was like, this one is going to be the one that plays out. I feel it in my bones. So this could be the one that plays out, right? It could be. I don't know. But we need to be aware that it could be. This could be a swing short coming up right now. Very much could be. Be our guest. Put the power to the test. Man, my voice is so broken, guys. I'm screaming at you guys all day. Candles Don't Lie says, really glad I don't trade this way anymore. Which way do you trade, brother? You mean on the 5 second time frame? Because yeah, man, I'm even stepping away from that. Yo, I'm kind of stepping away from my 100x leverage, guys. It's not that it's too stressful, but like sometimes it takes you a couple tries to get them, and it's just like not worth it. Like if you have the capital, you don't need to 100x leverage. And so I don't know, man. It's easier for me to like look at the 5 and then just determine a stop loss and then just do it than for me to wait around and like kind of how we're doing right now, like just waiting around. Like it's easier for me to just put limit orders, short it, low leverage, and then put my stop loss up here and then go to bed. You know what I mean? Like than me catching the exact top, which I mean, look, again, like it's doable. It is doable for sure. But it's just it's too, I don't want to say stressful. Stressful is not the right word. But it's too what's the word I'm looking for? Like attention. Like you have to be too attentive. And I got too many things going on, man. I got content to make for y'all. I got, you know, becoming a millionaire to do. High value, man. Yeah, CVD is bullish. Local CVD. So the very first thing I said on the stream was that CVD was bullish, which is playing out. Locally though, This pump that we took the high stopped out a lot of shorts. Wait, if they shorted, wait, less positions were coming in, and those positions are shorts. So when you short, you have to buy back. No, that doesn't make any sense. People took profit on their longs. That was people taking profit. Interesting. Needy, tedious. Tedious is the word. Needy is the word. Thanks, guys. What time consuming? Yeah. Give you a massive blood diamond. It's coming, man. It's coming. I want one more high. Come to 42,606. Too time consuming. You guys are funny. I wasn't even looking at the chat. I'm here talking to myself, looking like an idiot. Trying to think of the right word. Yo, funding fees came in and you're in positive. What do you mean? Like that means you're trading against thing. What leverage is best, says Chabby. Come to my YouTube. Come to my YouTube channel. And I have a video that I posted not too long ago, actually. This one here, leverage doesn't matter. Okay. I will post it here. Okay, there you go. And watch that video. That video will explain why leverage does not matter. High maintenance, yeah. Could I do a video on how to scalp the 1 minute? I can, yeah. And we're actually in the new year gonna do $100 to $1,000 challenge. So, you know, make sure you stick around for that. All right, guys, we're still getting, man, we're getting local divs now, which is not what we want to see. We want to see a little bit more up, man. We want to see a little bit more up. I want to see up. I want to take the high one more time. One more time, baby. Take the high. As long as it touches anywhere in the red. And by the way, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. It's probably going to be very quick. You're probably not even going to have the time to hit the market button. I got to be honest with you. Right? I got to be honest with you. But as long as we touch the red, man, we got to touch the red zone here. We have to. And it will probably be very quick. And it will probably stop like 42.8 or something. Like halfway through is my guess. If, of course, it's going to hold. And if it doesn't, make sure you have proper risk management. Bum 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 ba da da dum. Okay, come on, Bitcoin, man. I'm bored. I am bored. So very bored. Do I mean when I say lower the leverage, but still maintaining the same risk per trade? Let's say you're only 20x, but your initial margin of the trade. So, man, listen. Or would I, instead of risk 1%, lower the leverage? Okay, so your leverage, all your leverage does is change your liquidation, right? But if you put up, if you have $100, okay, let's say you have 1,000 in your account, If you 10x $100, then that's $1,000. So if your position size is 1,000, your risk is still the same as if you put your entire 1,000 on the trade with no leverage, because your position size is still 1,000. That's why your leverage doesn't matter, because if you're abiding by good risk management and you're never getting liquidated, which you should never, ever, 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 ever get liquidated, you should always have a stop loss that makes sense. Then if you're following those rules, then leverage doesn't matter. It's all about position size. So if you have $1,000, you put your whole 1,000 of your own money. It's no different than if you put 100 of your own money and 900 from the exchange. And I would actually even argue, and actually it's not even an argument, it's fact, that it's better if you have the capital to not even use leverage, because you're paying money to use leverage, right? You're paying the exchange. Like, borrowing is not free anywhere you go in the world, right? Borrowing ain't free. So you pay for their $900. Everyone has this kind of delay as me compared to BTC. Yeah, everyone on YouTube, there's a delay, guys. There's a delay. I took away the delay for one stream, and you guys, it was like unwatchable for you guys. Joe, come trade gold with us during New York. I've never traded gold, but who is us? Yeah. But I mean, you just said maybe not to use 100x. I don't want to use 100x. Okay, I'll tell you why. Because when you're doing 100x leverage, right? Because your liquidation is so close. I'm like really focusing on getting the exact move, right? But if I loosen up my leverage, I don't need to I will put the same position size, but like over time. When I use low leverage, I don't sniper entry, I shotgun entry. Okay, so like I'll have a limit here, 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 here. And it's just way easier to do that than to like sit and watch and like try to get the exact top at 100x leverage. Right, like 100x leverage, I can put a larger position with like more tight of a stop loss. But lower leverage, I can spread it out. I can make it a shotgun entry, right? And like I'm usually not wrong with the market. I'm usually not wrong. And like what I mean by I'm usually not wrong is like I'll have a range and it will usually respect the range. Usually. Not every time, obviously, because it's impossible. But it will usually respect the range. And so it's way easier for me to just like, you know, give it a little bit of breathing room and call it a day, because it's probably going to be right. As opposed to like if I just 100x leverage shorted right now and it goes up like, you know, $30, $40, $50. Like I just lost a significant amount of money me trying to get the exact top. Like that's a losing recipe. And like, it's just, I can do it, but it's just too stressful, man. It's too attentive. All right, guys, we're taking the high right now. So let's take a look. 15-second time frame is looking perfect. Come on, baby. Look, we just SFP'd it again. Hit the zone. I want to hit the box. Let me get ready. Let me get ready. Oh my days. Let me get ready. Are we there? Are we there yet? No, we're not there yet. Okay, boom, boom, baby. Let's go. We just got it. We just got it. We're in the zone. 1 hour order block is officially mitigated. I told you guys that it was going to be a quick wick. Let's see how high the wick goes. Come on the 5-second time frame here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what we see. 5-second money flow is still coming up, but we are getting those very high up waves. Let's see what we do. But we officially took it, and we are leaving some vectors behind right now. Look, guys, I had limit orders there, and I am in. I am in right now. My stop loss is loose, though, but I am in. I've started to build the position. I'm not in a full position right now, but I am in. Just exactly as predicted. And what did I say, guys? Like 10 minutes ago, I said we're probably going to come to like 42.8. Did I not say that? Somebody go back and clip it if that's a thing. I don't know. That's what I said. Are we going to stop here? I have absolutely no idea, but we are getting the divergences with the money flow. We are getting the divergences with the momentum waves on the lower term time frames. Money flow on the 1. Guys, the 1 minute looks perfect for this to have been a high. Perfect. Money flow coming out, and we are getting those divergences with the momentum waves. I might actually mark it in a little bit more, because I am in right now, guys. I am in. I am in. I don't know if that's going to be the exact high. 5-second money flow is still coming up right now. Let's see if we can take the high one more time. For me, my invalidation is this order block, right? And if it hits it, it hits it, no problem. But nonetheless, we did anticipate and we did expect to come and take the high. We're taking the high one more time. Let's see what we do. Let's see what we see here. Let us see what we see, baby. Okay, we're getting another divergence here on the 5-second. Money flow is still coming up, man. We could come up and we could break the order. We could take the whole order block. I don't know if we are. We're getting the divergences, guys. The signs are here. Technically for the shorts, the signs are here. What did I say as well? Nice green vector candles into this zone while we have consistent money flow coming out and we have potential divergences. Now, this could be considered a scalp, right? You have to play good risk management. If we break the high, we could SFP it. And by the high, I mean this order block. We could very well SFP the high, okay? It is a possibility. I don't want you guys to think that it's not a possibility because it absolutely is. Whether or not it will happen is TBD, baby, is to be determined. But things are pumping, man. The Dogecoin is pumping. I'm going to take some profits on my Dogecoin long right now because Doge is moving. Solana is kind of just staggering here. Bitcoin is just chilling. Not really what we want to see for our shorts. We would want to see a movement, fast movement down now to the downside is what we would want to see. I think I might take a little bit more profits. Oh, man, Dogecoin is flying. Oh, baby, the balance is looking so sexy. Oh, God, my balance looks so sexy. My balance looks like Margot Robbie right now. She's so sexy. Okay, baby, let's go. Let's see if we get it, man. Let's see if we get it. I took profits on my Doge long. The rest, I think I'm just going to let run because Doge is... We got some gas, man. Doge got some gas for sure. Let's check out Ethereum real quick. Ethereum is also fighting its order block. We're in a daily order block, as we know, but Ethereum's got a lot more room to the upside. And I did say that I do believe Ethereum is going to take the... is going to run the show here soon, okay? I think Bitcoin is kind of just going to chill out. And I think that Ethereum is going to give us some juice. Right? I think Ethereum's going to give us some juice. Well, let's see what we see here. All right, 15-second time frame. We got money flow coming out. We got the divs, right? 5-second, we got money flow still kind of thick, but aiming to the downside. We did get the divergence that we would want to see on the 5-second. Let's check the one. One is looking beautiful for this to be at least a significant high soon. Not in terms of price, but in terms of time. Okay, 2-minute is potentially giving us the clip as well. 3-minute time frame is potentially giving us the clip as well. That's what we want to see. We're getting some golden nuggets here on the 3-minute time frame. Now 5 is where it's concerning. Okay, 5 money flow is very high and it's increasing. So 5 and 10 don't really look great for things to stop here. Nonetheless, if we get stopped out, we have good risk management and we are hedged long. So it does not even matter, man. Literally doesn't matter. I cannot stress this enough. Good risk management, guys. I cannot stress that enough. Right now, this is how the game works. And usually what happens is whenever we're at the like real highs, everything looks bullish. I'm going to be honest. And then you got to really, really jump down to dissect it. But here we go, baby. Money flow is coming out on the 15-second. And we had the waves. 5-second. We want to see money coming out. All right, money's coming out now on the 5-second. Let's see. Bitcoin seems to be bearish until it is not, as we all know. I am in the short position. Okay, I am in the short position. I did take profits on the longs. I do expect somewhat of a move here. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I do expect somewhat of a move. Even if it's just a quick scalp. Hey, guys, I'm going to go pee. I got to pee really bad. You guys know, look at this. I drink this all day. By the way, man, I give you guys, like... The fact that I give you guys this for free is mind-blowing. I wish I had me to teach me when I didn't know what I was doing. Look at that. Shouts out to a Wild Rancid. He said, I 100% said 42.8. I 100% said 42.8. Anyways, we're not out of the woods yet, guys. If anybody took this short with me, congratulations, you're in profit. Technically speaking, you could take profit here. For me, I don't know. I kind of want a little bit lower. I got to be honest. I want lower. This could be, guys, a significant high. I told you this. Could be a significant high. Right? Could be a significant high. But it could not be. Anyways, listen, guys. I'll be back in 1 second. I'm just gonna use the bathroom real quick. All right, what am I missing here? Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is pumping, guys. I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you are abiding by good risk management. I cannot stress this enough. We very well all may get stopped out here. Now, I will tell you this. I actually did take profit. A little bit. I took a little bit of profit out here at 42.6. Just in case, to be sure. Let's check the 15 second. 15 second, we might take the high one more time. Again, I'm hoping we don't wick out this order block. We could, though. So make sure you are abiding by good risk management. Okay, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you are abiding by good risk management. Let's check the 5 second. 5 second is looking good. If we take the high for another divergence, let's check CVD. CVD right now. Shorts are getting wrecked right now. This is a short squeeze. Shorts just got stopped out, guys. By the way, I'm going to start learning EXO charts, I think. And so when I learn them, I will give you guys a boot camp on them as well. Yeah, shorts are getting stopped out right now. Let's see what we see here, man. We would want to see follow through to the downside, like, basically now. This is what we would want to see. We'd want to see either a quick one more candle to the upside and then quick down. So we're going to go bang, bang. Or because we can't, like, just bang here, right? Because this could have been like the last bang was down there. So this could have been the bang, bang, right? Or, I mean, we're on the 5 second time frame, right? So this is pretty crazy, or we want to see bang, bang on the 5. But for me, I would actually prefer just going down. Just going down here. 1 minute time frame is giving us the divs, guys. We have the divs. We got the divs in play. 10 minute looks like it could be topping out. So this could give us a significant high. Doesn't mean it is the high. Okay. Cannot stress that enough. 3 minute is giving us the divergences, but money flow is still kind of thick. A little bit concerning. But 2 is clear as day. We're getting the divs. 2 is clear as day. We're getting the money coming out. Now, I have to preface, well, it's not prefacing anymore, but I have to say this, guys, okay? In normal instances, this is a short all day. Bitcoin, lately, is not being normal in the sense that it is so stubborn and doesn't want to go down seemingly ever. So, if that happens, if this happens now, right? We need to keep in our mind that Bitcoin, no matter how hard we say, or no matter how many divs there are, doesn't want to go down, right? It does not want to stay down. So we'll see what happens here. We will see what happens here. You're the best. You got the best analysis ever. Can I take a look at Costco? Let me know what my thoughts are. Yeah, I will. Let me see what's going on with our trade here. Once we get out of our entry, I'll take a look at Costco. 43.1 has more liquidations. 43.1 does have a few liquidations. Because that's the top of the order block. But the question is, are they going to just push it right through the order block? Right, we already just went through the daily. Have I done a video on risk management? I have. Come over to my YouTube. Come over to my YouTube channel. Come to my videos. So I have this one that I posted earlier in the chat. Why leverage doesn't matter. Okay. That's one. And the second one I have is like kind of a whole boot camp, which was this one here. Okay. Those two videos are the ones that you need to watch. Inverted head and shoulders on the 5 second. Funny. You guess your old lady is bullish then because she doesn't want to go down either. That's when you force her. All right, man. So someone keep an eye on Bitcoin for me. I'm going to do Costco real quick. Let's do Costco. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. Okay, super important. Let's talk Costco. Let's start on the daily. What's Costco doing? We got an SFP up here. Should start on the weekly. How are we at all-time highs? What the hell? Okay. So this is Costco's hard, man. Camadel. Yeah, W fresh and fit. You already know, man. You already know. Well, yeah, she has to perform her duties as a woman. What do you think? All right, don't cancel me, YouTube. All right, Cam, listen, bro. Costco's hard, man. Costco's hard because we're actually gonna be in price discovery. Right? Like we're gonna be at an all-time high. This is all-time high, right? Unless I'm tripping. Yeah, this is all-time high. So what I would say right now, I can't really do analysis because there's nothing to the left here. I can't really yeah, just liquidator. I can't really do analysis because there's nothing to the left. So what I will tell you right now, based on this indicator, which I know you don't know what it is, market Cipher B, which is the only indicator that I use, but based on this, it's bullish, man. It's super bullish. Costco's super bullish. We could get a significant move to the upside. For real. For real. I don't think the top is like here yet. We are getting divergences on larger term time frames, yes. What I would say, Cam, is no shorts, in my opinion, until this level is taken. 612. I believe we're gonna come for 612. And then we kind of just gotta like play the range, but you might get a significant like a high. You might get a significant top once we take this high. But for me, no shorts until we take 612. But long term, it looks pretty bullish, man. It looks bullish to me. But it's hard because there's not like all-time highs. I'll be honest, I don't know how to trade all-time highs. Like for me, the way I trade all-time highs are however high it goes, then it starts to range. I will just trade the range. I'll schlong. I'll long down here and I'll short up here. And then I'll take profit here on both positions and then I'll let it run and I win either way. You know? That's kind of the best I got for you, Cam. I'm sorry, bro. Okay, 2-hour money flow on Bitcoin looks so bullish, man. We actually might break right through this 18 order block, guys. I can't even lie. I can't even lie. This is like tale as old as time where we say, you know, Bitcoin does not want to go down, right? Bitcoin does not want to go down. You're shorting it right now, Cam? Okay. I hope you win, bro. I hope you win. Hope you win. This is the rhythm of the night. Again, man, I don't know how to trade all-time highs, like without just playing a range. I just play ranges, you know. Yeah, this we already know. We don't need that. Let's see if we can play a 1 minute range here. This would be considered a range for sure. So let's see what we do here. Yeah, I don't really use fib extensions, bro. I don't really use fib extensions. I mean, you can. You could. Oh, wait. But how does it, like, what do you, like, from, like, here? It's, like, from there to there to here? Like that? Is that how you do it? Like, from the low to the high to the low? And so, okay, the 1618 would be 615. It would be 615. Let's actually, I'm gonna put an alert here. I don't do stocks. I don't know how stocks move. But I'm gonna put an alert and see if that happens, if that works out. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is still just chilling, man. Still chilling here. All right, Bitcoin's coming up for another high. Maybe. Maybe. No, I use golden pockets, but I don't use fib extensions. Oh, right, code. Okay, code is 48207. That's the last time y'all get it. 48207. Head on over to the Discord. Links in the description down below. And DM my GeoBot here, 48207. And you'll have access to my VIP channel where I give you guys the levels and I give you guys real-time updates on what I believe is going to happen. All right, let's go local, super local TA here. Right? Oh, man, I wish I did that a little bit before. That would have been the place to add to your short, literally right there. At the value area high and golden pocket. That would have been perfect. Let's see if we can make our way down now to the value area low of our local range here. And let's see, okay, if you're not long and you want it to long for whatever reason. Okay, for me, if I was gonna long, I actually like an SFP of this low, deviating the value area and tapping into the golden pocket confluence with this support resistance flip. So this would be my long zone on the 1. Very, very, very small long zone. That's what I would prefer that. Or I would prefer this. Just a 786. Just a 786 support resistance flip of this high. So these would be the two longs, local scalps that I would be looking at. If I was going to, if I was going to take it. If I was going to long. All right. Let's see. Maybe we take the high again. Bitcoin is freaking wild, man. Like, literally nothing can keep this thing down. Nothing. Crazy, man. Look at all the divergences it ignores, bro. It's so crazy. So crazy. All right, money flow is thick, man. It actually looks like we might come, man, I hate to say it, but we might actually break the order block, man. We honestly might break the order block. I hate to say it. It hurts me to say it. But it is objectively looking up, man. It is up. And you know what sucks is that I accidentally closed my long like a day ago. That sucks. All right, Bitcoin's going for it again. We just took the high. I mean, we took the high on Bybit. We did not take the high on MEXC. I wonder what Coinbase is doing. Okay, Binance just took the high as well. Is this potentially an SFP of an SFP? Who knows? Let's see. 1 minute time frame. 1 minute is still looking up, though, guys. I got to be honest. 1 minute is looking up. Cam, you got me curious on Costco now. Curious. I'm going to keep Costco on the radar. Okay, so we just deviated the high again with the green vector candles and another continued money flow divergence on the 1 minute time frame. Does that mean that it's time to short? Not necessarily. We are potentially just now flipping this value area as support. We'll see, man. We'll see. Crazy go, man. Crazy. Bitcoin is crazy. Absolutely insane. That's the 15-second. Let's come to the 5-second. Oh, man. 5-second is giving the gas, bro. This is crazy. Yo, Bitcoin is insane. Bitcoin is actually nuts, guys. It's crazy. All right, man. If we tap, man, I'm going to be honest, guys. Look, we're getting the divs. Man, the divs don't mean anything these days. Crazy, man. This is insane. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, baby, we're coming for it. We're coming for it. That's insane. Oh, Bitcoin's crazy. Bitcoin is insane, guys. Wow, my last shotgun order did not get hit by $1. Literally $1. I missed it. Is it $1? $1. I missed that. That wick I missed by $1. Okay, so Bybit wicked. That's crazy, man. This is insane. Bybit wicked the high. What did Binance do? Oh, where's our order block? I gotta pull the order block. Okay, I don't have time. I gotta watch this thing. Wow, I missed the order by literally $1. Look at this. Oh. Look at this. I missed the order by $1. $1. Oh, baby. That's crazy. Bitcoin is crazy. Wow. This is insane, man. That's insane. Guys, this is crazy. Bitcoin is crazy. Dance with the move. All you gotta do is groove, boy. All you gotta do is move. All right, man. Look, so we just wicked out the order block. This is insane. This is insane, guys. That's crazy. Bitcoin is crazy. I got nothing else to say, man. This is crazy. Look at how ETH is doing nothing, man. ETH is so laggy behind Bitcoin. It's Yo, this is insane. I can't even, man, it's hard to trade. I'm trying to trade right now. It's hard to trade and watch the chat and everything else, man. It's so hard. All right, let's see. Let's see. We lost value area high. We're coming back now to retest it. We're on the 15-second time frame. Like, these are small ass time frames, guys. Small ass time frames here. This is a red vector, and we did just recover the red vector right now. So let's see if we're going to continue the downside. Money flow. Okay, we're starting to get the dibs. We are topped out on these higher term time frames. I'm not saying this is the high, but again, it could be a high. It could be. Not is, but it could be. And we just SFP'd the 18-hour order block. That is wild, man. Okay, while we have time here, let me pull up the 18-hour order block on Binance and see where the high came in for that. That's insane. This is insane, man. Okay. Here's our 18-hour order block. Actually, we don't need this anymore. This is our 18-hour order block right here. So we did SFP the 18-hour order block as well on Binance, okay? So Binance and Bybit are consistent here. Doesn't mean that that's the high, guys. Does not mean that. That's insane. That is insane. Man, this run that Bitcoin is having is insane. That's crazy. Man, that's insane. I wonder how long they're gonna give like free money to everybody longing. So we'll see, man. If we continue to break up and we actually consistently like can close some candles above this 18-hour order block, I would say this, guys, we're probably coming up to 48K. That's insane. We do have order blocks in between. I must say, we do have order blocks in between. But, yo, this is crazy. Bro, this is insane. Actually crazy. I'm so mad that I closed my long by accident. Okay, also, guys, I haven't checked the chat. I can't, man. This is too quick. Thanks, K. I'm gonna try to read this real quick. Looks like it'll pump and catch up here. This is insane, guys. This is crazy. Remember when we were trading at 27K on the Discord? I do. Pull back Thursday. Should you go out from BTC? Gio, do I shotgun entry more or snipe? It depends on how attentive I am and like how I'm feeling. Maybe you're watching the stream, that's why it's going up. If you start commenting, it'll go down. What's the code? Bro, you know the code. You know the code. How many new people do we got in here? Welcome all the newbies. Welcome all the newbies. We got a few. We got like 5 newcomers in today. All right, man. Okay, 5-minute money flow is still thick. We're still topped out. This could be a high, not the high. Could be a high, and it could be relatively soon in terms of time. Okay. 2-minute is giving us the divergences with thick money flow. We already know this. 1-minute money flow is getting thicker, man, but technically it is still diverging. Still diverging, right? We have the high up here. So we've actually been diverging this whole time. Which is why this is so crazy to me, man. So crazy to me. But let's see. 15-second money flow is still coming up. If we get this green dot here, we're holding value area high. We'll see. We are holding value area high, which is so insane, man. I can't believe that we're here right now. This is crazy. 5-second time. Okay. 5-second money flow is coming in the red, but we are not actually taking the low. Technically, this is giving us a hidden bull dip, but I will say this. This is on the 5-second time frame. So, you know, it doesn't necessarily have that much weight behind it. But, you know, technically speaking, that is a hidden bull dip there. All right. 15-second, man, is looking bullish. 15 seconds looking bullish. 1 minute could give us another green dot for another push to the upside. This is crazy. Bitcoin is just wrecking that order block, man. 18-hour order block. We're at the high of it again. We already SFP'd it. This is insane. Bitcoin, I can't believe I accidentally closed my long yesterday. I can't believe. I cannot believe. That is insane. This is crazy. How many times can I say this is crazy in one stream, guys? This is crazy. This is insanity. Anyways, guys, listen, I will tell you this. If we go up to 48, I think that will be an absolute gift. That will be a gift. I would love to go to 48 because I will short that shit so far down. I'll short it all the way down to 15K. Man, look. And I said this last week. I said this like for the last month, actually. The higher we go now without any retracements, the more convinced I am that it is a bear market and it's a bear market rally. Guys, like this is not, I'm not just joking here. Like I'm genuinely, the higher it goes, the more bearish I am. Plain and simple. I do not believe that it is a bull market. I will believe it if we take the high, 69K, then I'll be like, okay, we're in a bull market. Until then, I do not believe we are in a bull market. And the higher we go without sweeping liquidity, the higher we go without punishing anybody that's 100x longing the top and being profitable for 3 months straight without even one red candle, not even on the 1 second time frame. The higher we keep doing that, the more bearish I am. Because the harder we will fall. The higher we go, the harder we will fall. All right, lean to open long. Yo, God is playing. God, are you joking? You're joking with me. I know you're joking with me. I know you're joking with me because I told you last time that if you didn't get it, I would come to India and beat your ass. I'm not giving you the VIP again. Go back. Go back, bro. Go back. Go back. Yo, this is crazy. Bitcoin is crazy, guys. This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. This is crazy. Looking to be my lover. Looking and a lover. You should be my lover. This is insane, guys. Bitcoin is crazy. This is so nuts. This is insane. What is happening? Woo! All right, man. How high can we go, guys? We can go pretty high. I can't lie to you. We can go pretty high. That's it, man. We're cleared. These order blocks, done. Goodbye. See you later. Don't need them. That's insane. Bitcoin is insane. You know what I find kind of interesting is that the market is not following it. Right? Nothing is really following Bitcoin right now. I mean, a little bit, but not really. This is insane. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. That's insane. This is crazy. All right. All right. How high can we go? How much more are we going to give retail free money? And I'll be there for you. Bitcoin is pumping. I am not in my shorts though. No way. This is insane, guys. I cannot believe I accidentally closed my short yesterday. I cannot believe. I cannot believe. Okay, though. It's okay. It's okay. It is A-okay. All right, let's see what we see here. This is crazy, man. This is so crazy. How many times can I say crazy in like 1 minute? This is insanity. All right, man. If it clips, we're getting more divergences. Let's see. Should we even still talk about divergences? Like, this is crazy, bro. This is so crazy. Like how bullish this is. Let me check Costco. What's Costco doing? Oh, wait. What did I do? Costco. What did I say? What was it at when we were talking about Costco? I said 612, right? It was at 605 or something. Yeah, 612. Let me add it here. Costco. And put it up here. All right, BTC's he's getting its pullback on. This is insane, man. This is freaking nuts. So crazy. Oh man, chat is popping up. Guys, if you haven't already done so, hit the like button for me, please, and thank you. Not bull market, it's a bear market rally. That's what I believe, yeah. Maybe you should stick to sniper entries. I do both, man. I do both. BTC always moves, then ranges, then the alts catch up, yeah. Geo just FOMO long so we can finally start the short. Did I get SL stop loss in profit? Well, I took profit on I took profit and then I got stopped out at break even, so I probably netted like a little bit of profit. A little bit in profit. Look at how, like, just what I'm telling you, ETH is not doing anything. ETH is so, I mean, oh, I didn't even know that ETH went that high up. That's interesting. The good thing is I'm long on ETH. So that's a good thing. I am long on ETH. Man, I'm long on ETH. I'm short on Sol. I'm long on Doge. I got things all over the map right now, man. I got things going everywhere. Wow, look at doggy coin. Look at the doggy coin. This is crazy, bro. This is insane. Dance with my eyes closed. All right, man. Is that it? Are we done? Bitcoin, are we done? Are we there yet? We're not done yet? You want to still give retail more? Keep giving them more, bro. Keep giving them more. All right, let's see where we could get a short if we didn't short the top there, which we didn't. Wherever this comes down to, look at that. Boom. Okay. All right, man. All right. All right. This is crazy, man. This is insane. All right, let's see where we could get a short. But the thing is, guys, we don't even have any levels up here. Like, there's nothing up here. We have this. This is interesting. 43,585 is very interesting, guys. 43,585. Very interesting. We have a naked weekly and a naked daily point of control up here. So I 100% expect to actually make our way up here. Okay? So we're going to set an alert. We're going to trigger it every time. And we're going to write NWDPOC! Exclamation, exclamation. Very interesting level up here, guys. 43,585. Very interesting key level. Okay? Don't say I didn't tell you. 43,585. Very interesting level. I don't think we have any other levels up here, though. We literally have nothing else up here. Yeah, we got nothing else up here. This is 43,585. Is what we gotta watch. It's like you in the morning with morning wood. Yeah, me too, man. I saw a flip on that money block. That is true, but I don't really use order blocks like that, but you're not wrong in the sense that it did break it, and now, like, I guess it could be support. But this is the next level of watching, guys. 43,585. How do I break even that? Like, what percentage do I take out? Are you talking about, like, my shotgun entries? 43423 is a daily, is it? Did I miss that? But I'm wasted and I'm high. Interesting. Oh, I guess we do have daily levels up here, but I just haven't put any of them in. Or I deleted the ones that we had. This is a daily level, though. We have a daily level up here. We actually do have a daily level up here as well. You're not wrong, sir. This is a daily level. Yeah, you're right. This is a daily level. Daily. Let's add it to our daily folder. Daily. And we also have another one. We got another one up here. And we got one more up here. And this one is a strong daily, I would say. Okay. Yeah, we do have a daily level up here as well. Okay, so where was that relative to our the naked point of control? Oh, look at that, man. Perfect confluence, guys. Yeah, okay, so in my opinion, we're gonna come up here. We're gonna come to 43.4 to 43.6. Okay, 43.4 to 43.6. Interesting. Good call, man. Whoever said that. Good call on that. Amazing call on that, bro. Right up here. Yeah, this is a good level, I think. I would have to do more TA and find golden pockets and find more order blocks and whatever else, but this is a good general zone. For me, I would want to at least tap this 43.6. I would want to come to the higher end of it. Do they hold more weight if they are naked? I only look at them if they're naked. Yeah. Yeah, you hold more weight and you're naked. Me too. You think we're bullish all day again? Honestly, man, I think it depends. It depends. I think we're going to come up to this level. Or if we don't come to this level today, I think we're going to come up to it soon. ETH will pump second. I agree. I believe ETH is going to steal the show. All right. I believe ETH will steal the show soon. Unmuzzled Go, to answer your question from a little while ago, I usually, at my TP1, I usually take out 50% of my trade. Usually. Depends on the kind of trade. If it's a scalp, then yeah. BTC giving us pleasants, the peasants, the flavor. Yeah, man. This is actually crazy, guys. This is, I can't even lie, man. This is insanity, guys. This is crazy. Like, but hey. This is how the cookie crumbles. This is what we signed up for. Y'all want the Lambos? You got to be able to get burned a little bit. Right? We take it one level at a time. We stay objective. We stay neutral, babies. Listen, 2.5 hours, guys. I've been streaming, giving y'all the heat. Took one trade. Break even, basically. But we've been long. We've been long. You got a fat long on ETH. Let's go, baby. Send it higher. Send it higher. Guys, if you haven't already done so, please do me a solid and hit the like button. And if you guys want to trade and you don't have an exchange, Mexi is the best on fees in the game. 0.02% taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that it's basically for free. And it helps support me for free. And I can keep giving you guys these streams that are 2.5 hours every day. So, to those that decide to support me, I thank you very much. And it's free. And the money either goes in their pocket or it goes in my pocket. And in my opinion, I can spend it better. So, you know what I'm saying? Do I go for a 2-to-1 ratio? Not necessarily. Not always. Not always. All right, guys. We're coming up again, man. We tapped the daily level. Let's see if we tap the naked weekly and naked daily point of control. 43,585 is what we're looking for right now. 43,585. And, guys, this could happen quick, man. We already know that Bitcoin got no chill, boy. Bitcoin got no chill. Bitcoin does not care about you. Yo, this is crazy, man. This is crazy. This is insane. By the way, guys, I actually just checked my P&L on the short, and I did lose. I thought I broke even, but I lost $100, but that's okay. Bro, how many times you want the code, man? God, I give you the code in the DMs every freaking day. Every day. DM me, bro. DM me. This guy. This guy. What is this? Bitcoin? What is this trailer? If anybody posts the GTA trailer in my Discord, you're getting immediately banned. No questions. You get banned. All right. ETH is moving. Finally, ETH is moving. Okay. All right. Okay, ETH. I see you, ETH. We are long on ETH, so that's cool. We are long on ETH, so that is cool. We're long on the doggy coin. That is also cool. We're short on Solana, which is not cool. But we took profits, so we're chilling. And are you ready? Okay, let's jump down. Let's come to lower term time frames now. How much are we gonna do this, man? 15-second time frame. Money flows coming out. Divergences are presenting themselves. I don't know how many times we're gonna say that, bro. Oh man, that's funny. Come on, man. Let's see what Bitcoin's gonna show us here. 5-second time frame. Money flow and the divergences. I want one more high. I want to tap this. If we don't tap this, man, there's no way, bro. If we miss this by $50, yo, Bitcoin's crazy. This is insane. Oh, I'm also long on quant. Oh, there you go. There you go, man. There you go. There you go, guys. There you go. There you go. Now the market's following. All right. All right, Bitcoin. I see you. I'll see you, man. Damn. That's crazy. This is insanity. This is insanity. BTC, baby. This is crazy. I gotta monitor my trades. There's too much to watch right now. I don't even know what we're gonna watch. Okay, Ethereum is kind of lagging still. I want Ethereum to move here. If Bitcoin's gonna move, I want ETH to follow. What did we come up to? 44.2? Oh my goodness. That is insane. Guys, this is crazy. This is so insane. Oh my. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. It's crazy. Coming in hot. I'm gonna get a lift right now. Coming in hot. All right, guys. This is officially tapped. We're good. We're chilling. Did my alert even go off? What kind of scam is this premium trading view? Scam. Goodbye. Scam. Okay, we're done. We hit this. I'll make a video about that. That's crazy, though. That is actually crazy, man. Coming in hot. Guys, it's mad hard to trade and watch the chat and everything else. It's hard, bro. It's hard. GTA 6 using cryptocurrency. CP1228 on ETH. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This is insane, bro. This is so crazy. 44K. It just hit 44.2. Any ETH target? I don't, man. I don't have any targets. I did ETH at the beginning, but this is more long-term, right? ETH I did, like, we're still in the daily order block. The daily order block, we can come all the way up to 25 hundo, right? And still be in the daily order block. If we take that, I think we're going to see a $3,000 ETH, to be honest. I think we're going to see 3K. But we'll see, man. We just got to play with the data that's being presented to us in real time, you know? So that's all you can do. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shh. This is crazy. Yeah, seriously, that's what it should be. I might actually change it to that. This is crazy. I don't. How many times did I say it? I don't even know. Yo, crazy, guys. Guys, do me a favor and hit the like button if you haven't already done so. We got 120 people consistently in here. So if you're new here, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. As always, guys, I gotta go pee again. You guys know I've been drinking so much. Mexi already hit what? 44K? No. What? Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh, wait. No, everything hit 44K. Guys, I'm tripping out, man. You know what's funny? You know what's funny? Is whenever I'm writing my thumbnails and my titles and whatever else, I swear to God, if let's say we're at 30K, I'm writing 28K. Like, I'm still mentally in the 20s. How is CVD? Let's check CVD. Let's check CVD. Okay. Wow. Wow. This is... It's just a short squeeze, man. It's just a short squeeze. Yeah, this is just somehow another short squeeze. But remember, man, the first thing that I told you guys on the stream, I literally opened up the stream with, guys, CVD is somehow bullish, right? So, how high can we squeeze? I honestly don't know. I really don't know. It's hard for me to do TA up here. Because we're in uncharted territory, and this is not really a strength of mine. Right? We got other naked daily point of controls. Let's just say we make our way all the way up here. This is a key zone, right? Daily and naked daily point of control. We have a potential naked weekly point of control up at 47K. But in my opinion, like, guys, there's not really much going on in between kind of where we're at now and being sucked up to here. Right, we have a 12-hour order block here. Cool. Right, this is a 12-hour order block. This would give us good confluence with the naked daily point of control that we got up here as well. So, you know, we can mark this out for sure as a 12 order block, and we can we could set an alert here if we somehow, it sounds crazy, but make our way up to 46K. I will say this, man. Look, 43 was a significant level, 42 to 43. And we just, like, went right through it. We went right through it like it's nothing, okay? And so, if we went right through it like it's nothing, we could easily find our way up at 47. 47 is a huge level for Bitcoin. So, 12 OB plus ND POC. At 46. Let's say 466. Okay. So to be honest, guys, again, like there's not really much in between, right? There's not really much in between these levels. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get sucked up to 47K now that we broke this 18-hour order block. Insane, man. This stream should absolutely be called "This is Crazy." But guys, you guys know me, man. I'm gonna just whenever there's a range, I will trade the range. That's it. And I will hold positions both ways. And I don't care what happens. Doesn't matter to me. Truly does not matter to me. I really do not care. I do not. Do I think we go back down to 20K? I think eventually we do. Yeah. Yeah, we do. Long term, 40K, 44K for the narrative. You can identify previous ranges in the price range and then slap the lines. Yeah, I mean, you can, but again, there's not really much going on. Plus, like, how much weight do I want to give? Let's just say I'm on the 4-hour, right? Like, let's just say we printed a 4-hour range at where we are right now. Okay, let's say we printed a 4-hour range from where we are right now. A year and a half ago, like, am I gonna consider that so heavily weighted? Probably not, right? Honestly, probably not. Probably not. Probably not. I mean, we got a 4-hour order block here. Like, I mean, yo, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Let's extend, right? That's a 4-hour order block. Yeah, man. There's not really much, though. There's not really much. This is kind of a super, like, meh order block. I'm not even crazy about it. I don't even think it did much. Actually, I'm gonna take it off. I don't even like the way that it looks. I like this one up here though. I do like this one up here. This one looks a lot better to me. So we'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see where it goes. I'm paranoid. This is insane. Yo, y'all ever see this? Guys, objectively, this is the weirdest looking chart. Like, Bitcoin just looks weird here. It just looks weird. Nothing more, nothing less to say than it looks weird. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. All right, guys, be right back. I'm gonna go pee again. Crazy. I'll be back. Paradise. Keep speedy, dose my mind, man. The gangster's paradise. Most people take profits in a win position. You add to it. We ain't the same. Yeah, man, we're way overextended, bro. Bro's walking through the comment section. I've said this so many times. The daily looks ugly. Yeah, man, it all looks ugly, bro. It all looks ugly. You can identify. Yeah, already read that. Okay, guys, listen. We've been walking, and we've been talking, and we've been trading, and we've been singing, and we've been peeing, and we've been pooping, and everything else for 2 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, your boy's feet hurt. Okay, your boy needs to eat. Your boy needs to sit down. And your boy needs a Halls and a nice hot cup of tea. Okay? So. Why is this frozen? Why is this frozen? Why is this frozen? Oh my. Hello? So, guys, if my Mac ever stops freezing, it's frozen and it's playing 2 songs at once, and I can't do anything about it. Okay, hold on. Did it stop? Oh my goodness, this is so laggy. I need to so get off. Okay, hold on. Oh my, this is so bad. Okay. This is so laggy. Guys, Oh my days. Hold on. Oh, this is so bad. Okay, hold on. Let me mute it real quick. This is so bad. Oh, God. That is so bad. Why is this so laggy? Okay. Okay. Let me try this again, guys. Listen. It's been 2.5 hours here. Thank you all for kicking it with me. Okay? If I have provided you value in any way, shape, or form for free on YouTube, or you like my content, or you like my voice, or you like my face, do me a favor right now. Show your peers, guys. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Show them the value I provide. Don't take my word for it. Let's see some hearts in the chat, man. If I've given you any value in any way, and you're new here, make sure you join the Discord. If you're returning, make sure you show your peers the love I've given, the value I've given. Let me see those hearts, baby. You gotta lose somebody.
Don't tell me it's too late. Hard to make to bend, baby. Please don't let me break it.
Hearts, guys. Let me see the hearts, baby.
Cause now you're moving on, and I don't know what to say. Cause you let go.
Guys, if I have provided value for you in any way, let me see the hearts, baby. Let me see the hearts. And as always, guys, have a good time. Have a good one. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's stream.
Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to find out you really love someone. Oh, oh. And I do, and I do, and I do, yeah. Sometimes you gotta lose somebody just to find.
And as always, guys, I will keep you guys updated in the Discord. So thank you all for kicking it with me, man. What a great stream. Like the stream if you haven't already done so, please and thank you.
Sometimes you gotta lose somebody.
Thank you, guys. Have a good day, everybody. Have a good day, my friendos. I appreciate all y'all. See you in the next one. Wow, somebody unliked it. Take care, guys. See y'all later.